We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got stock number 28262T. This is a Ram 2018 model, 2500 with the Cummins diesel, and this has got the 6-speed transmission in it. It is equipped with the high-intensity headlamps, front park assist. It does have rear park assist also. We'll get back to there. Fog lights, tow hooks in the front. Got the blacked out wheels. Does have the trailer tow mirrors on it. It does have proximity entrance, which means if you have your key fob, you simply grab the door handle to unlock your door, or press the button to lock the door. Trailer tow mirrors do fold out. Black running boards on it. Matches up with the nice wheels. Is a 4x4 2500. Rear backup camera, rear park assist, trailer tow package. 4 and 7 pin connectors for your hitch. It's got the 5th wheel gooseneck prep package with the wiring already in the bed. In the blacked out Ram logo on the tailgate. This is a Laramie edition crew cab. Taking a look at the inside, we have equipped the trailer tow mirrors with the button that brings them in and out. Just one push and you'll bring your mirrors in if you're in close quarters, and hit them and they go back out. Of course, power windows and locks, tilt steering, cruise control, automatic headlamps, power driver and passenger seat that are heated and ventilated, memory seats, lumbar control, fixed bucket seats with a center console with 2 storage areas, 8.4 touchscreen radio. Radio controls on the back of the steering wheel for volume and changing stations. Uconnect systems for hands-free communication for your telephone. Crew cabs all have a storage area here on the floor that opens up. It's got a bin that comes out. Seats fold up. Got a fold flat floor, folds out, and storage area underneath. Something they're putting in too is a light there on the back of the seat when it's up, to give you some light to see what's in your cargo area here in the back seat. Hopping up inside, got nice leather stitched black seating. Stitched real nice all the way around. Got back seats are heated also with your controls here in the back. Center stack's got your 8.4 touchscreen radio, as well as some controls for your heat. Also controls for your heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, diesel exhaust, a tow and haul mode, traction control. Got a 115 volt, 150 watt outlet there, as well as other 12 volt outlets. Electronically controlled 4-wheel drive system that has a neutral position, so this vehicle could be towed behind a motorhome. Dual glove boxes, gives you plenty of storage room there, and plenty of pockets in the side of the doors, the back of the seats. Got plenty of storage room. Does have a rear window, a power rear sliding window with one button that's easy to access. This is in bright white, Ram 2500 with the Cummins turbo diesel and the 6-speed automatic transmission. One of our many commercial vehicles here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on this or any commercial vehicles that we have, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.